Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set an expiration date in Jotform Sign. This feature is incredibly useful when you're dealing with time-sensitive documents like contracts or agreements that need to be signed by a specific deadline. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Signed Documents. This will take you to your collection of documents that are ready for signatures. Now browse through your documents and locate the specific one you want to set an expiration date for. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that document. This will open up the document builder where you can make all the necessary modifications. At the top of the builder interface, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Send tab to access the sending options for your document. This is where you'll configure how your document will be delivered and who will receive it. In the recipient section, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. After filling in these details, look for the key button and click on it. This will allow you to add an extra layer of security. Type in your chosen access code that the recipient will need to enter before viewing the document. Next, click on the Options tab located at the top of the Send section. This is where the magic happens for setting up time restrictions on your document. Look for the switch next to expiration date and toggle it to the on position. This activates the expiration feature. Once you've enabled the expiration date option, you'll need to specify when the document should expire. Click the calendar icon that appears, or if you prefer, you can manually type in the date. After selecting your desired date, adjust the time field if necessary. Keep in mind that the time will use your account's time zone settings, so make sure it aligns with your expectations. To make this process even more efficient, it's a good idea to enable automated reminder emails. This ensures your recipient doesn't forget about the deadline. Toggle the reminders option and set up how frequently you want reminders sent. For example, you might choose every 2 days to keep the document fresh in their mind without being too pushy. Finally, return to the Recipients tab at the top. Review all your settings one last time to ensure everything is configured correctly. When you're satisfied, click Send to Sign to dispatch your protected document with the expiration date and access code in place. And there you have it. You've successfully set an expiration date for your document in Jotform Sign, ensuring it gets signed within your specified time frame. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.